Hello friends, welcome to Educational Wing. Let's fly with success. Today is 9 July 2020. This is our current affairs session. I am Sujit Kumar Mishra, your friend and mentor, here to discuss and analyze today's current affairs. It is very much helpful for all competitive examinations. So proceed towards today's session. This was our previous three questions. Our first question was, which state launched Balaram Yojana for landless farmer? Odisha, Bihar, Assam, Goa. The correct answer here is option A, Odisha. Recently, Odisha government launched Balaram Yojana for landless farmer. The capital of Odisha is Bhubaneswar. Chief Minister is Mr. Naveen Patnaik and Governor is Professor Ganeshi Lal. Okay. Our second question was, इंतजार आपका कैंपेन लॉन्च्ड बाय हुई स्टेट? तमिलनाडु, मध्य प्रदेश, बिहार, गोवा. द करेक्ट आंसर हियर इज ऑप्शन बी, मध्य प्रदेश. रिसेंटली मध्य प्रदेश गवर्नमेंट लॉन्च इंतजार आपका कैंपेन for tourism. To attract tourism, this campaign is launched. Okay, the capital of Madhya Pradesh is Bhopal. Chief Minister is Shivraj Singh Chauhan and Governor is Lalji Tandon. Okay, I hope you got the answer now. So proceed towards today's first question. First question of the today's session is, fourth edition of the virtual ministerial on climate action held. Who represented India in this meeting? नरेंद्र मोदी, प्रकाश जावड़ेकर, अमित शाह, रमेश पोखरियाल निशंक. द करेक्ट आंसर हियर इज ऑप्शन बी, प्रकाश जावड़ेकर. यूनियन एनवायरमेंट मिनिस्टर प्रकाश जावड़ेकर represented India in the fourth edition of the virtual ministerial climate action meeting, and it is co-chaired by European Union, China and Canada. Okay, Narendra Modi is our Prime Minister of India, Amit Shah is our Home Minister, and Ramesh Pokhriyal Nishank is our HRD Minister. Okay, Human Resource Development. Next question. Who is launched a self-scan app for scanning document? Tamil Nadu, West Bengal, Rajasthan, Gujarat. The correct answer here is option B, West Bengal. Recently, West Bengal government, the Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee has launched a new mobile application called Self-Scan. It is developed by State's Information Technology Department. As per you know, about 59 Chinese apps recently banned by Government of India, including cam scanner. So in West Bengal, the self-scan app is launched. Okay, West Bengal is in news. The capital of West Bengal is Kolkata. Chief Minister is Mamata Banerjee and Governor is Jagdeep Dhankar. Jagdeep Dhankar is the Governor of West Bengal. Next question. SBM Bank partner with whom for smarter payment solution? Mastercard, RuPay, Visa, none of these. The correct answer here is option A, Mastercard. SBM Bank partnered with Mastercard to revolutionize the domestic and the cross-border payments and remittance service. Okay, the headquarters of the SBM Bank is in Port Louis, Mauritius. And the Mastercard headquarters is in New York, and the CEO is Ajay Pal Singh Bhanga, is the CEO of Mastercard. Okay, next question. Who is recently appointed as CEO of UNKIB? Sanjeev Kumar, Jayant Krishna, Rakesh Mohanty. Option D, none of these. The correct answer here is option B, Jayant Krishna. Jayant Krishna has appointed as the CEO of UK India Business Council. Abbreviation is of UNKIB is UK India Business Council. Okay. He replaced Richard Held. And he became the CEO of UNKIB. You can see the image of Jayant Krishna here. Okay. Question number 5. Who becomes the highest paid celebrities in Instagram? The Rock, Amir Khan, Shah Rukh Khan, none of these. The correct answer here is option A, The Rock. He is famous with the name The Rock. Become the highest paid celebrities in Instagram. Dwayne replaced the Kylie Jenner as Instagram in highest paid celebrities. Okay, Dwayne Johnson is the real name, and you can see the image of the Rock here. Okay, he is become now the highest paid celebrities in Instagram. Next question. Question number 6. Which application partnered with Ola for digital payment? PhonePe, Google Pay, Paytm, none of these. The correct answer here is PhonePe. Recently, PhonePe partnered with Ola for digital payment. Okay, the headquarter of the PhonePe is in Bengaluru, and the CEO of PhonePe is Samir Nigam. Samir Nigam is the CEO of PhonePe. Okay, and the headquarter of the Ola is in also Bangalore, and CEO of Ola is Bhavish Agrawal. Bhavish Agrawal is the CEO of Ola. Next question. Which country launched digital heart for sacrificial animal? Pakistan, Bangladesh, Sri Lanka, Saudi Arabia. The correct answer here is option B, Bangladesh. Bangladesh recently launched the digital heart for sacrificial animal for the purchasing of the animals. Okay, the capital of Bangladesh is Dhaka, the currency is Taka, and Prime Minister is Sheikh Hasina. Okay, next question. India and which country signed a memorandum of understanding to boost maritime relation? Sri Lanka, Australia, Indonesia, Oman. The correct answer here is Indonesia. Option C is correct here. Recently, India and Indonesia signed a MOU to boost maritime relation. Okay, the capital of Indonesia is Jakarta. Jakarta is the capital here, and the currency is Indonesian rupiah. And president is Joko Widodo. Joko Widodo is the president of Indonesia. Okay. Question number 9. Bhavishya Saving Bank account is launched by which bank? Fino Payment Bank, Airtel Payment Bank, Karnataka Bank, HDFC Bank. The correct answer here is option A, Fino Payment Bank. Fino Payment Bank launched the Bhavishya Savings account. Okay, and it is in between the minor age of between 10 to 18 years. Okay. Who has been appointed to the Central Government Committee on STIP? Sijo George, Shambhu S. Kumar, Ravish Kumar, none of these. The correct answer here is option A, Sijo George. Sijo George has been appointed to the Central Government's Committee on Science, Technology and Innovation Policy. The abbreviation of STIP is Science, Technology and Innovation Policy. You can see the image of Sijo George here. Okay, this is our question of the day. You have to answer it in the comment box, and we will discuss this answer in our next session. Our first question is, which state becomes first to 100% household LPG connection? Second question is, Al Cameron passed away, he was related to which field? Please try to comment more in comment section. Thereby a connecting link between you and educational wing will be established. Okay, thank you for watching this. Please like, subscribe and share as much as you can. Thereby many students get help. Thank you.